I like the way you're sitting up straight. 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 Okay, so what do I want everybody to do? How many of you knew I wanted you to sit up straight? Caught yourself about to sit up straight and made a choice of not sitting up straight. And you wonder why your kids are spiteful. Because you just got the same rush. How many of you believe kids take action towards you because they love you, like you? No, they get the same rush that you do.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.